right, you guys, I am so excited. I just got a huge shipment in from HalloweenCostumes.com and I am so excited to share it with you. First, I want to thank HalloweenCostumes.com for sponsoring today's video. You guys, when I tell you they had so many cute things. I had an idea that I was going to get a bunch of pumpkins and put them on my porch. I'm kind of thinking, ooh, I could put these downstairs. I could really put them anywhere. Here are some of the things that I got. Actually, when this box was delivered, I saw it being delivered on my Ring camera and I walked up to the porch and it was moaning my box and I was like, what is going on? There was like spooky sounds coming from the box already. It is so funny. If you haven't checked out HalloweenCostumes.com, which I'm sure you have, they have everything. They have costumes, clothing, decorations, just so much fun stuff. Actually, this sweater that I'm wearing right now is from HalloweenCostumes.com. Isn't it cute? I thought it was like the perfect little, instead of having like a Christmas sweater, I have this Halloween sweater and I will give you a close-up view of it. Look how adorable this is. It's got all the little pumpkins on it and it's just like so fun and cute, and I just have it on with these leggings. As soon as I saw that, I was like, I have to have a Halloween sweater. I have so many Christmas sweaters and I didn't have a Halloween sweater, so this was one of the things that I got. And you guys, I will link everything that I picked out down below in the description box. So first I want to show you this bad boy. I got this cutie pie. Look how adorable this jack-o'-lantern is. I love him so much. I think he's gonna look so cute on my porch. He would even look really cute on my fireplace. I think that would be adorable. But I love this guy because he doesn't take up so much space. He's just kind of flat in the back, so you could just easily like prop him up against your fireplace or really anywhere. But I think I'm gonna put him on my porch. But isn't he cute? And look how cool this is. Okay, this is what my package was doing when I walked up to the porch. So funny, and he lights up. It's kind of hard to see because I've got this ring light blaring. Oh my gosh, so he's super spooky, but he's so cute though. Here is another cute pumpkin that I got. I just like getting all the pumpkins in different shapes and sizes. And I love this material. Uh-oh, Little Bear thinks someone's at the door. Little Bear, that was just me. But this is the extra large light up pumpkin. So all of these jack-o'-lanterns light up and I think it will make a nice spooky glow wherever you decide to display them. I was all about the pumpkin hunting. I just couldn't stop myself, so I got this little spooky guy too. Now he looks spooky and he lights up as well. Wow, I haven't opened these boxes yet. I did already do the sneak peek into that box because I got my sweater out, but I wanted to share everything with you. So let's see what we've got in here. Don't just think HalloweenCostumes.com is just for Halloween, because they had so much Christmas stuff. I already have a long list of Christmas items that I want, like costumes, decorations, inflatables, all kinds of cool stuff for Christmas that I can't wait to get my hands on. Wow, oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh wow, obsessed with this. He is huge. I don't know why, I just wasn't really thinking how big they would be. I honestly didn't expect him to be that big. Oh my gosh, so impressed with this. This is so nice. I love this material because these are so great. They're so nice and durable for your porch. And he lights up as well. Ooh, this is great. This is something I wasn't thinking about. It comes with a timer feature, so it's on for 6 hours and off for 18 hours. That is really great because I'll be forgetting to turn them off. So I love that feature. But these are so gorgeous. This one has got to be my favorite. But wait, there's more. We've got another guy in here. He's waiting to come out. I am so excited to start decorating my porch. I still need a few more things. I need some corn stalks and a little hay bale. And I got 2 of these guys. Wow. We are going to be super festive this year. Look at that. These are such good quality and they are an amazing price. You guys will definitely have to check out the link below because I don't think I've ever seen any this nice for this price. I mean, oh my gosh, these are going to look amazing. I can't wait. All right, I got a fun inflatable that we're gonna inflate here in a minute. You know, I just love a good inflatable, so this one's really cute. We're gonna blow that up. What else do I got? Oh, I got one more thing, a little costume that we will try on. It kind of looks a little, like magic. Well, you guys saw that. That was definitely a little bit of magic there. So I think we can pull a little bit more magic off because I'm just going to switch into this costume. I told you it came with a little bit of magic. So this is the costume I got. It is just a super classic witch costume and I just think it is perfect. Like, you can keep this costume forever and anytime you just need to pull a costume out, you always have your classic witch costume for Halloween. I just love dressing up. I don't know about you guys, but I love to have all kinds of different costumes. It's just so much fun to be able to dress up. Maybe it's just like the 7-year-old girl in me, but so much fun. And let me show you how cute this is. This little dress, and it has this really pretty bat detail belt. So cute, and I love the sheer arms, and it's just got a little tie up here in the neckline. And I got a size small, and it is just so cute. You could even get one of those little petticoats to go under here and make it like flow out, but I think it looks really cute just like this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love this costume. So again, I want to thank HalloweenCostumes.com for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check them out in the description box down below. I will have a link down there for you guys to shop, and you can shop all of the items that I showed here today. But now we gotta go check out this really cool inflatable. You can probably already tell he's a cute little ghosty. What is this? So he's got the stakes and everything so you can stake him down outside. We're just gonna plug him in right here. All right, you guys, I've got this spooky inflatable ghost all set up and I just love him. I am so excited to get him out in the front yard. He is so adorable and spooky and he just looks so fun with all of his little jack-o'-lantern buddies. All right, you guys, after all of this shopping and unboxing, I've worked up an appetite, so I have a really fun Halloween treat that we are going to make next. All right, you guys, I'm bringing you another spooky Halloween treat. It is these cute little mummy jalapeno poppers. Oh my gosh, these were a hit. They are super easy to make. All you will need are some jalapenos, a package of cream cheese, a can of crescent rolls, some pepper jack cheese, bacon, ranch seasoning, and some cute candy eyeballs. First, you will cut your peppers in half lengthwise, clean out the insides, then you'll mix together your cream cheese, pepper jack cheese, cooked crumbled bacon, and ranch seasoning, and you will fill the insides of your peppers with that, and then you'll take your crescent rolls out, press the squares together, and cut the rectangles into little thin strips that you will use to wrap around the peppers to make your cute little mummy. This really amped up the flavor on this classic dish. Make sure to leave a little gap for the eyes and bake them in the oven at 400 for about 10 minutes. Not only are these guys absolutely adorable, they taste amazing. Like I said, they were definitely a hit at my house tonight. It took me a couple days, but I finally got my porch decorated. I put out all of my pumpkins that I got and they look so cute on the porch.
here I am just kind of wiping everything down after I got everything set in place. It was so stressful trying to figure out where I was going to put everything, so I didn't do any of that on camera, but I've got it all mainly in place now. I'm going to rearrange a few things. I did get my corn stalks and hay bale and some pretty big pumpkins, which I needed my husband's help to carry over to the front porch. We went to the pumpkin patch and got these 2 corn stalks, and oh my gosh, they're so big. I'm like freaking out. I feel like they're way too big. They're much bigger than the ones that I had last year. I mean, they're absolutely gorgeous, but I may have to like thin them down a little bit, but I just haven't done that yet. I think I'm going to do a little bit more tweaking to the porch. I've got a few more things that I might want to move around and change up, and I did see these amazing huge mums at Sam's Club today, and I wanted to bring them home so badly, but I'm just not sure where they would fit in out here. So like I said, I've got to think a little bit more on it, and I'm going to be adding a few more things, and I'll let you know as soon as I do. But all in all, I think it turned out pretty good. It is super cozy to just sit in my chairs out there and enjoy all of the fall vibes.
That's it for today's video. Make sure you check out today's sponsor, HalloweenCostumes.com. Down in the description box, there's so much spooky goodness. You have to check it out. I promise you won't regret it. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have so much more fun Halloween stuff coming your way. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!